British Pest Control Association, in collaboration with Cliverton Insurance.
So good day to Harriet. Harriet's joining us from Cliverton Insurance.
Yeah.
Not to get my pronunciation wrong. And today we're going to be talking about all the benefits that Cliverton Insurance can give us, and telling us a bit more about their business and the advantages of choosing their services, and a bit of discount that goes with it, because we all like a bit of discount. So, Harriet, would you like to tell us a bit more about Cliverton?
Of course. So Cliverton, we're an animal-related insurance broker from Fakenham in Norfolk. We've been running for over 50 years now, and we specialise in the public liability aspect of your business. Mm-hmm. We work under a Benefact umbrella. Benefact are a trust who are a not-for-profit organisation, so much like the BPCA. Mm-hmm. So charity work and giving back to our local community and worldwide is something that is very important to us as an insurance company, which we think definitely stands us out from other brokers. We, as I said, have been running for over 50 years now. We're one of the UK's leading animal business insurance brokers. We have won Schemes Broker of the Year awards twice. Mm-hmm. We're also nominated again this year, so fingers crossed we get it for the third time. I myself have been working at Cliverton for almost a year now, and I've been on the pest control department for around 6 months. My background knowledge for pest control really is through my dad. He is a gamekeeper, which has meant he does a lot of pest control for the shoot and also mole catching and things like that as well. So I've kind of grown up with the pest control aspects in my life.
Sounds like we need to get your dad into membership.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll talk about that one later.
Yeah.
But no, seriously. So I mean, it's brilliant. So I mean, obviously, all our members have got their insurance, and there's different aspects to what our members do sometimes. So when we're working on ladders, we're carrying an air rifle. Yeah. And obviously we've got a van full of pesticides as well. So there's a lot that can actually go wrong in our industry. So it's, I mean, is that something you cover all inclusively? Is that something that you're aware of, or is that down to each individual member to bespoke their insurance for what they do?
Yeah, so we cover the public liability aspect of your policy as standard. That's what our main base policy is. So we cover legal liabilities to protect your business in the unfortunate event of an incident. We do provide additional cover such as protecting your property, personal accident, tools and equipment, that sort of thing. But the main base of the policy is the public liability aspect. So, for instance, if you were doing mole catching and someone was to get injured, that's what we're covering you for. So if they were to fall over a trap that you had laid out or something along those lines, mm-hmm. That's the main thing that we're covering you for. Or if you were to damage a client's property, for example, because you're putting up the netting or something, mm-hmm. That's what it would be covering you for. If you wanted to add stuff like tool cover, personal accident, we can do that for you as well. We work very closely with Aviva, who are our underwriters, to really tailor make the policy specifically for each client. So we really work with them and discuss what we think or what they think they need for the policy, and then we make it for each individual.
Okay, cool. So they can add bits on and change things around.
Yes.
And so I suppose it's all down to it'll all affect the cost in a way, won't it? So if the
exactly, and we cover
300 foot up a ladder, then it's going to cost me a little bit more if the 10 foot up a ladder.
Perfect. So great example with ladder work, we do cover it as standard. The only time it potentially might make a little bit of difference is if, for instance, on a ladder you are going over 10 foot, or if you do any height work over 20 foot, that's when it might start to make a difference to your insurance. But as standard, we cover a lot, so I definitely think it's worthwhile discussing with us what our standard policy covers before you kind of worry about what you need to add on. But like I said, we do work really closely with Aviva, and when we get a client on the phone, we will talk to them a lot about what their business is doing, to make sure that they're adequately covered. So yeah, they are very tailor-made policies.
So in that, I mean, so what's the best way members can contact you? Should they email you, phone you, discuss it?
Yeah, so we cover a broad spectrum of clients, from sole traders to nationwide companies. The best way to get in touch with us would be to give us a call. Our telephone number is 01328 857 921. Alternatively, we do have a brand new website, which is cliverton.co.uk, a website that we're very proud of. You can get in touch with us on there. It also tells you exactly what we cover. So if you're looking for more information, I highly recommend visiting our website. So give us a ring, give us an email through the website, and either myself or one of my colleagues will get back in touch with you.
Just a bit of a off pest control side-ish sort in a way. So the vast majority of our members all drive vans around. You mentioned contents insurance for tools and things like that. Do you actually do the vehicle insurance itself?
Not the vehicle, no. We do work with a company called SEIB, who would potentially look into doing that for you, but the actual vehicle itself is not something we cover. We cover goods in transit. That is something that we can include in the policy, but the actual vehicle, unfortunately, is not something that that we cover, I'm afraid.
No, it's worth knowing. It's like,
yeah, of course.
But no, it's yeah. I mean, some of the tools we do carry, they can be quite expensive. So
it's definitely worthwhile getting them covered for sure.
Well, so I mean, obviously you lose equipment. I mean, obviously it can be replaced, but obviously there's a downtime in that process as well, isn't there?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. So I mean, everybody loves a bit of discount. So how much discount do we get then?
So we can offer a 10% discount to BPCA members. All you need to do is provide us with your membership number, and we can implement that discount on there. Obviously, as everything is subject to minimum premiums, however, we can implement a 10% discount on there for you, and hopefully that'll be very beneficial to BPCA members, and also save you a little bit of money as well, which everyone loves.
Well, that's what we all want to do with the insurance companies, isn't it? Is get every penny you can out of them.
Exactly, and we want to try and save you as much as we can as well. So
yeah, especially this day and age, it's prices don't go down, do they? So
they definitely don't go down. No.
That's brilliant. But yeah, I mean, you spoke about your phone number, the website, and everything like that. There is a link in our member benefits area straight to your good selves. So for members looking for you there, they'll find it. It's there. But no, that's brilliant. But no, it's been absolutely brilliant to talk to you today. Get a bit more insight into what you do. And I'm sure hopefully your phone's going to start ringing even more, and we get even more members coming towards you.
Awesome. My name's Harriet, so you can ask for me specifically. I don't work on commission, but I would still love to speak to you.
I was about to say, are you on commission?
No, not
yet. Not yet.
No. Yeah, maybe I should hint to it after I've done this.
Yeah, I've just got loads of new customers from this stuff done.
No, not on commission, sadly, but
oh well, maybe in the future. But no, it's been absolutely brilliant to talk to you today. And good luck, and I'm sure we'll meet again in the future.
Thank you for having me.
Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.